everyone. In this video we will discuss all the things related to the script Humble Power, how to add it, how to make the settings, change the settings, and what can it do, and also how to trade with this. Now let's discuss what is Humble Power. Humble Power is a tool that I am giving you for free in my Telegram channel after filling a form. Now when you fill the form, whenever I open my computer, I can see the details. I can see the TradingView username that you have. What is TradingView username? Just create an ID in TradingView, and after that what you need to do is, you can see the Humble Trader 1993, that is my TradingView ID, one of my TradingView IDs. So you need to give me that. Only then and after then I can give you access of the tool. And how to find the tool? Click on indicators and go to the invite only scripts, and when you go to the invite only scripts, you will find the indicator named Humble Power, like this. It will be green. The locks key, this sign, this will be green, and whenever this sign will be green, you can be sure that access has been given to you. Now click on it just once, and if you have 3 or 4 indicators, more indicators than that, then better to remove one indicator from that, and that's all. That's it. That will be done completely. And sometimes this red sign will come. What you need to do is just refresh the page like this, reload, and after that add it, and it should not show any kind of problem after that. So these are the basic problems that people have, and I'm trying to fix once. And now as you can see, the indicator has come. Now what it can do, let me reset the chart. As you can see, the indicator is showing the supply zones and demand zones and the target levels, and it can automatically draw trend lines for you. Now the basic thing is, whenever we take the trend line breakout trades or things like that, we tend to draw wrong trend lines. So this indicator will by default draw trend lines for you. You don't have to do anything else. Trade on these trend lines because these are the logical ones. Now what are these dotted lines? They are basically CPRs. CPR means central pivot range. This is a value area. Most of the time the price will act as support or resistance at this kind of areas, but I don't like to trade them. Many people like to trade them, that's why we have added. Now intraday RSI, EMA crossover, super trend signal, these are completely experimental things that we have added. Zones are the supply and demand zones, and let me explain what supply and demand zones are. Supply zones are basically the zones from where the price tend to reverse, as you can see in this situation, and demand zones are the zones where the price tend to reverse from the upside, as you can see today happened in Nifty. Now sometimes the supply zone will be broken, that we will call the breakout, and in case the breakout happens, we have given you target 2 and target 1, and sometimes the demand zone will be broken down, and in those cases we will call it a breakdown, and for that we have given you target 1 and target 2. Your stop loss in those cases will be above the demand zone and below the supply zone on the breakout cases, right? And whenever you are taking a reversal entry from there, the supply zone will act as the SL area. So basically it's a very simple setup, and most of the time it really works. And if you want to do back testing, then what you need to do is come down there and click on historic, and whenever you click on historic, it will show all the historical data that is there. Okay, for right now what we are doing is, we are historic zones are removing and CPR is removing. Now some people like to trade with Bollinger Band as well. What Bollinger Band is? Bollinger Band is just a band, obviously, and whenever the band is broken down on the downside, it will give you a sharp move downside, and whenever the band closes above, the price closes above the band, basically that calls a breakout. Now as you can see, the price was reversing from the supply zone. It has given closing below the Bollinger Band on 1 minute time frame, so that's a secondary confirmation for you. And if you want to add more confirmation, then you can add EMA of your choosing, you can add EMA crossover signals, you can add super trend and super trend signals. There are so many confirmation system. Now if you want to add 4 EMAs, you can add 4 EMAs, 9, 20, 50, 200, whatever EMA you want, just add it. Simply we have given you everything, so as you can see, the super trend signal, EMA alert was there, Bollinger Band breakdown was there, and the price was reversing from the supply zone. So basically it's a sell signal, confirmed sell signal. It's a very good sell signal, right? And now here, as you can see, if the price has hit, let's suppose the price came down here, it hit the demand zone, it's going up, it's crossed over Bollinger Band, it has crossed over super trend, the super trend is giving signals, the EMA is giving signals, so many signals are there together. So it's a buy signal, confirmed buy signal. Now in those kind of scenarios, the trade will get more momentum, the trade will get more confirmations, and you will get much more accuracy in those kind of things. Okay, so these are just the concept you should trade with, and I hope you understood the concept. I want you to backtest more. I want you to trade in neo stocks, because neo stocks give you live paper trading platform, completely free of cost. Register there, paper trade, it's completely free. You don't need to do anything else. What you need to do is you need to join my Telegram channel. I will give you the link in the description. The channel is called Humble Trader. The link is here, Humble Trader 2, and the channel is called Humble Traders Diary. And when you join this channel, you will find the link there, and whenever you find the link there, just fill it with your trading view ID like this, Humble Trader 1993 trading view ID. Fill it and I'll give you the access. It might take me 1 hour, 2 hour, or maybe 1 day max, but I will give you the access, and whenever I give you the access, you can plot the chart and you can trade accordingly. It's a very good concept, it's a very good indicator. As you can see, it's a very good indicator. Just use it. I want you to make money. Okay, just make some money and let's make money together. Have a great day, and let's close.